Gia, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, little Jaxson. Good morning to you. It's like, what? So he's like, I'm like, what do you want for breakfast? He's like, macaroni and cheese. I'm like, why? He's like, because it's tasty. Look at that little face. Hi. I'm gonna spend the whole day with my buddy today. Yesterday the kids didn't have school, so yeah, today's just me and that little guy. Just put the kids on the bus. And I gotta go home and get some stuff done. Right, Gio? Hi. Hey. Okay. So I'm about to put some TV on for him because, yeah, I want for him to spend some time alone. Yeah, I want him to spend some time with himself. And then make him some breakfast. So, oh my gosh, look what Gio did yesterday. This is his dinner from yesterday. That right there is nothing but pure ketchup. Like, my child eats ketchup like it's going out of style. He practically finished the whole bottle of ketchup. So, yeah, this is me today. I'm looking nice and lean. I don't know what's going on, but I'm looking nice and lean. So, even though I'm in the 190s, I look good. So I'm thinking maybe 165 is where I'll feel comfortable. So I definitely can't go any lower than that. Any lower than that and I look really sick. I remember when I had an eating disorder, yeah. And I was like 120-ish. I was disgusting. So disgusting. But 165, I look good. Yeah, because 190, this is 192. Yeah. And then there go my little no butt. I need to bring it back up. It after 4 kids, it definitely fell down. So I need to do some squats. I hate squats. I hate doing squats. And so what he does every morning, he comes for his cuddle. Right? He comes for his cuddle. He comes for his cuddle. Yeah, he comes for his cuddle. Right here. So say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yep, we cuddle for like 30 minutes. Yes.
You're not going to die.
It's not gonna die?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Where are we going?
Bar.
A bar? You have a bar?
Yeah.
For who?
A Bella.
A Bella. Oh, okay. Look, my friend's so fresh. He's so fresh. I'm so fresh. Yeah, I have an appointment at 11:45. I'm flipping cards. Like, my battery died for my thing, so I have to go. Get in. Ready? Alright. You only fit in here, Steeder. So, yeah. We are going.
Hair teeter.
No. We'll go to Harris Teeter later because Mommy have to get the stuff for cupcakes for the kids because today is their treat night where I usually make them cupcakes.
Mommy.
So I'm gonna go get them some stuff. Well, I have an appointment at 11:45, and then I'm gonna go to Harris Theater and get some stuff for dinner and their treat. I'm making cupcakes tonight. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm still in my car. I haven't moved because it's it's still 11:10. So I have I don't know why I always come on here and smack my lip.
I don't know if we should give away money with the Rush Bar name game or should we give away tickets to see R. Kelly right now?
But
Could you
hold on.
call me at 202-432-WK?
Yeah. I feel like my husband's been in my car driving because my seat is all adjusted wrong.
What are we doing next?
And I feel like I'm so far back because my husband is taller by, I don't know, he's taller, and he always come in my car and adjust my seat, and I'm like, ugh. Wish I had one of those cars that had the memory seat adjustment thingy, but I don't. I'm not that. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh yeah, my appointment. Maybe some foo-foo song on the radio these days, you know. Let me get off this phone and concentrate on this driving. I'm still in my neighborhood, so yeah. Once I get out here to the main road, I'm gonna go because I have to concentrate on driving safely. You have to always drive safely. So oh man, I forgot to go for my walk today. I'm supposed to go for my walk today. It was on my planner, my to-do. But right now it's like after 11 o'clock, so I don't even know when I'm gonna get that done. Because after 11 o'clock around here, things tend to speed up. And I had to go to the bank. And I gotta get back here before 3:30 to get the kids off the bus, so yeah. Anyway, I go yeah, cause me up on the road. Bye. What are you making? What are you making? What are you doing? At least you get to be creative today. No touching. What are you doing? Oh, you want me to? Okay. Oh, wow. Right. I ended up in an emergency room. My toe's been bothering me. I don't know why. It's just randomly started hurting. My other doctor, my primary doctor, thought that I might have gout or something. So we'll see what the X-ray shows now. But yeah. Oh, my poor toe. So swollen. It hurts really bad. So bad. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back home. They put them big old thing on my foot.
Yeah.
And I'm making cupcakes for the babies as I promised them.
I got this one wrong today.
And my hubby over there studying for his CDL license.
It said, what are the rules for placards for hazmat?
For who?
For hazmat placards.
Oh, okay.
When a truck is carrying hazmat, they need placards on the truck to notify.
You got that one wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got that one wrong?
Yeah. But I know it goes on all four. Both sides and the back.
I've never kissed a lone wolf leader before, and I regret it. Everybody, I'm trying to read.
Turned up in the diamond shape.
Robin can't function with the team's balance out of whack. So his body is mutating into a resort. Or something. Oh, and Shaq
You'll get them, baby. Right? Kids over there doing homework. There's some over there. All over the place. I'm gonna finish my cupcake. And hubby making dinner. Isn't it sweet? Oh. Okay, folks, so I'm gonna call it a day with this vlog. Look who's getting some smooches.
Look at that,
Look who's getting some smooches.
Mommy, look at
Yeah, Daddy, don't kill him with smooches.
Let's show the rabbit.
with me? No.
Not tonight, honey.
But Jaxson won't play with
I'm tired. My feet hurt, and I have to go fill my medicine.
But Jaxson won't play with me.
That's because Jackson's playing with Daddy. Right, Gio?
Look
Not with Daddy. I'm playing with my daddy. Yeah, I'm gonna go. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for chilling with me today. It was fun.
Look at the rabbit.
Let's look at the rabbit.
Actually, why is your tablet on the floor?
Yeah, thanks for chilling with me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, honey.
Bye.
Look at me and the rabbit.
Look at me and the rabbit.
Really serious. Look at that rabbit.
Okay, it's getting crazy up in here. Bye. Yeah. Keith. We're gone.